Nuclear energy is a powerful and often misunderstood form of energy generation. Harnessing the energy released during nuclear reactions, specifically fission, nuclear power plants can produce vast amounts of electricity. This process involves splitting the nucleus of an atom, usually uranium-235 or plutonium-239, which releases a tremendous amount of heat. This heat is then used to convert water into steam, driving turbines that generate electricity. One of the key advantages of nuclear energy is its efficiency and low carbon footprint. Unlike fossil fuel-based power plants, nuclear reactors produce minimal greenhouse gas emissions during operation. In fact, it is estimated that nuclear power prevents the release of over 2 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide annually. This makes nuclear energy a crucial player in the global effort to combat climate change and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. However, the use of nuclear energy also raises concerns, particularly regarding safety and waste management. High-profile accidents, such as those at Chernobyl and Fukushima, have fueled public fear and skepticism about nuclear power. It is essential to recognize that advancements in technology, safety protocols, and reactor designs have significantly improved the safety of modern nuclear plants. Innovations like passive safety systems ensure that, in case of an emergency, the reactor can cool itself without human intervention. Moreover, the issue of radioactive waste is another challenge that the nuclear industry faces. Nuclear plants produce spent fuel that remains hazardous for thousands of years. While there are various methods for managing this waste, including deep geological storage and recycling, finding long-term solutions remains an ongoing effort. Governments and organizations worldwide continue to research ways to securely store and ultimately recycle nuclear waste, ensuring it does not pose a risk to future generations. In conclusion, nuclear energy stands as a vital component of our energy landscape. With its low emissions and capacity to produce large amounts of electricity, it plays a key role in efforts to combat climate change. While challenges such as safety concerns and waste management persist, ongoing advancements in technology and regulations promise to enhance the safety and sustainability of nuclear power. As we transition toward a greener future, understanding and addressing these complexities will be essential in determining the role of nuclear energy in our power grids.